Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Nurse Born to Serve. This is my answer key, and I was selected in the ESI examination. You can see my answer key. Please watch full video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get notification for my all videos. Thank you. This is my answer key. You can see here. Exam was conducted on 26/2/2019 and shift is second shift 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. for the nursing officer staff nurse. The first question is, the relative risk of disease can be obtained from. Options are cohort study, case study, case control study, experimental study. Right answer is 1. Which one I answered? Second question, among the following, the bone that belongs to the axial skeleton is. Options: patella, humerus, dorsals and hyoid. Right answer is 4, hyoid bone. Which one I was answered? So this question also right. Question number 3, the condition in which the false belief are firmly maintained even though they are not shared by other is called. Options: delirium, delusion, illusion, hallucination. Right answer is 4, hallucination. Right answer is 2, delusion, but answered by me is option 4. So this one is wrong, answered by me. Right answer is delusion. Fourth question, the anterior fontanelle closes by. Options: 9 to 18 months, 9 to 18 months of age, 2 months of age at birth, 2 to 3 years of age. Right answer is 9 to 18 months of age. I answered correctly. Right answer is 9 to 18 months of age. Fifth question, poor skin turgor in neonates and infant indicates. Options: hypoglycemia, hypocalcemia, hypertonia and dehydration. Right answer is 4. Which one I answered? Dehydration. Question number 6, which of the below is not a role played by the nurse? Options: caregiver, communicator, physician, counselor. Right answer is 3, physician. I was answered correctly. Question number 7, which of the below is not a part of nursing process of planning? Options: supervising dedicated care, formulating goals or desired outcome, prioritizing problems or diagnosis, writing nursing interventions. Right answer is 1. Which one I was answered correctly? Question number 8, in a normal average infant, the percentage increased body length then that at birth at the age of 1 year is. Options: 20%, 50%, 75%, 10%. Right answer is second, but I did wrong in this question. So right answer is second, 50%. Question number 9, which is not a high risk factor that might affect workers in the construction company? Options: allergic disease, malnutrition, traumatic injury, chest disease. Right answer is 2, malnutrition. I did correct answer. Question number 10, The meaning of remission is absence. The person is clinically cured. The severity of disease increase. The symptoms reappear. The disease is present, but the person does not experience symptoms. Right answer is 4, but I gave the symptoms reappear, so that this question is wrong. Answer is wrong. So right answer is the disease is present, but the person does not experience symptoms. Question number 11. The advantage of using a 3-part diagnostic statement such as problem, etiology, signs and symptoms format is and absence. It improves communication between physician and nurse. It decreases the cost of healthcare. It helps the nurse in delegating. It standardizes organization of client data. Right answer is 2. It decreases the cost of healthcare. This answer also wrong by me. Question number 12. The genetic exchange process in which the donor DNA is introduced to the recipient by the virus is absence, transformation, transduction, conjugation, transfection. Right answer is 2, transduction. Answer given by me is wrong. Question number 13. The causative agent of the disease scabies belonging to the category of absence, protozoan, viruses, prions, bacteria. Right answer is prions. I gave option 1 protozoan. It's wrong answer. Right answer is prions. Question number 14. A plant that passes through the midline of the body and divided into equal right and left side is called absence, oblique plant, parasagittal plant, mid-sagittal plant or coronal plant. Right answer is 3. I gave right answer, mid-sagittal plant. Question number 15. Tropomyosin in the muscle fiber is a dash protein. Answers: regulatory, structural, anchoring or contractile. Right answer is regulatory. I am not attending this question. According to the Maslow's hierarchy, need to be well thought of by oneself as well as others comes under self-esteem needs, self-awareness needs, security and safety needs, physiological needs. Right answer is 1, self-esteem needs. Question number 17. The cranial nerve affected in the Bell's palsy is right answers cranial nerve 9th, cranial nerve 5th, cranial nerve 7th or cranial nerve 3rd. Right answer is 7. I answered correctly. Question number 18. In the diagnostic statement, excessive fluid volume related to decreased venous return as manifested by lower extremity, edema or swelling. The etiology of the problem is absence, excessive fluid volume, edema, idiopathic, decreased venous return. Right answer is 4, decreased venous return. I was answered correctly. Question number 19. The test that's most specific for myocardial damage is absence, creatinine kinase, CK, myoglobin, troponin I, CKMP. Right answer is 3, troponin I. My answer is 4, CKMP is wrong. The term MRSA is bacteriologically stands for absence, multi-drug resistant Staphylococcus aureus, methicillin resistant Streptococcus anginus, methicillin reactive Staphylococcus aureus, methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. Right answer is 4. Methylene resistor Staphylococcus aureus. I was answered correctly. Question number 21. When performing suctioning on patient, you should options apply suction continuously while inserting the catheter, apply suction intermittently as a catheter is inserted, perform suction on the patient for longer than 10 seconds each time, oxygenate patient lungs before and after suctioning procedure. Right answer is 4. I answered correctly. Chosen option is 4. The question number 22. The test used for the diagnosis of the tracheomonosis is options: wet mount of vaginal fluid, enzyme linked immunotest of serum ELISA, specific serological test, ova and parasite fecal smear. Right answer is 1. I was answered correctly. Wet mount of vaginal fluid. Question number 23. Repeated involuntary or intentional feces by the child in the inappropriate places after the age of when the bowel control is normally expected is called options: enurosis, nightmares, night sweats, or echoparesis. Right option is 4. Echoparesis. I chosen option is was 4. So correctly answered. Question number 24. Which of the below is example of unintentional tort? Answers: defamation, invasion of the privacy, negligence, assault. Right answer is negligence. I answered correctly. Chosen option is 3. Question number 25. Which of the below does not help in controlling hazards in the school setting? Answers: food supply to the students should be safe, the school should be well ventilated, the school should be built near from the source of noise, health education should be included in the curriculum. Right answer is 3. The school should be built near from the source of should be built near from the source of noise. Correctly answered by me. Chosen option is 3. Question number 26. Scrub typhus is caused by options: Rickettsia acari, Rickettsia typhi, Rickettsia prowazekii, or Orontia succinctumsi. Right answer is 4. Orontia succinctumsi. I chosen option 2. Rickettsia typhi is the wrong answer. Microorganism that is usually a part of normal vaginal flora but can cause meningitis in newborn is answers: Corynebacterium species, Candida albicans, group B Streptococcus, Staphylococcus epididymis. Right answer is 3. Group B Streptococci. I answered Staphylococcus epididymis is the answer. I was did wrongly. Question number 28. Pseudo hyphae are seen in. Pseudo hyphae are seen in. Right answers: Candida, Aspergillus, Penicillium, Mucor. Right answer is 1. I am not attended that question. Question number 29. Neuroleptic drugs are also known as anti-epileptics, antidepressant, antipsychotics, hypnotics. Right answer is 3. I was answered correctly. Antipsychotics. The full form of DALY in the context of community health is answers: disease adjusted life years, disability adapted life years, disease adapted life years, disability adjusted life years. Right answer is disability adjusted life years. I chosen option is 3. It was wrong. Right answer is 4. Disability adjusted life years. Keeping in mind, please remember it. Disability adjusted life years. Disability adjusted life years. Question number 31. An affective disorder among the following is answers: somatoform disorder, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, phobic anxiety disorder. An affective disorder among the following. I was given wrong answer, schizophrenia, but right answer is bipolar disorder. Affective disorder is always bipolar disorder, mania and depression, but I don't know how I gave this answer. Question number 32. Which of the below is the true statement about the H zone of sarcomere? Options: it contains thin filaments only, it contains thick filaments only, it is divided of thick or thin filaments, it contains thick and thin filaments lying side by side. I was not answered this question. Right answer: it contains thick filaments only. Which of the below is a true statement about H zone? H zone sarcomere is it contains thick filaments only. Question number 33. A group of related ideas and statement is called absence paradigm, philosophy, conceptual framework, and theory. Right answer is conceptual framework. I gave wrong answer. Chosen option is 4. Right answer is conceptual framework. Question number 34. Schedules method and Matthew Duncan method describe. Options: method of detachment of placenta, ways to monitor fetal heart rate, ways of presentation of the fetus, delivery of the presenting part. Right answer is 1. Method of detachment of placenta. I gave right answer. First one, method of detachment of placenta. Question number 35. The group at the increased risk for herpes zoster is. Answers: patients with atopic dermatitis, infants with congenital infection, third, pregnant woman, fourth, person at advanced age. Right answer is 4. I gave right answer. Person with advanced age is risk for herpes zoster. Question number 36. An example of positive feedback mechanism in our body is. Answers: baroreceptor mechanism, regulation of thyroid hormone, temperature regulation, oxytocin in childbirth. Right answer is oxytocin in childbirth. I gave a wrong answer. So this is also I mistake this examination. Right answer is oxytocin in childbirth. 37. If palpating the tragus or auricle causes pain, the problem is. Absence: otitis media, sinusitis, otitis externa, or pharyngitis. Right option is otitis externa. I gave right answer. Option number 3, otitis externa. Palpating tragus and auricle cause pain. Problem is otitis externa. Question number 38. Bleeding in the first trimester with no uterine contraction or pain and no dilatation of the cervix indicate. Absence: complete abortion, inevitable abortion, threatened abortion, and missed abortion. Right answer is 3, threatened abortion. I gave right answer. In threatened abortion with no uterine contraction, pain, and no dilatation of cervix indicates. Question number 39. The vertical transmission of disease occurs through. Absence: mosquitoes, droplets, placenta, direct contact. Right answer is 3, placenta. I gave right answer. Question number 40. Folic acid supplements in pregnancy are mainly used for the prevention of. Folic acid supplements in pregnancy use mainly used prevention of. Absence: anemia in fetus, anemia in mother, neural tube defects, gestational diabetes. Right answer is 3, neural tube defects. I gave right answer. Question number 41. Which of the following is not a function of fibrous skeleton of the heart? Answers: conducts the impulse from atria to ventricles, act as a point of insertion of cardiac muscles, form the structural foundation for the heart valves, prevent overstretching of the valves. Right answer is 1. I gave right answer. Conducts the impulse from atria to ventricle. Question number 42. A cell that takes part in the innate immunity by killing virus infected cells is. Answers: neutrophil, macrophages, NK cell, and T cell. Right answer is NK cells. I gave answer 2 is wrong. NK cell is right answer. A cell takes part of innate immunity by killing virus infected cells is NK cell. Question number 43. The action of the sympathetic system in wall of the airway is called options: increased gas exchange, increased secretion, bronchoconstriction, bronchodilation. Right answer is 4, bronchodilation. This is also I was done mistake unfortunately. So right answer is 4, bronchodilation. I choose an option as 3. Question number 44. Air bronchogram in X-ray is seen in the case of options: bronchial asthma, sepsis, respiratory distress syndrome, tuberculosis. Bronchogram in X-ray, air bronchogram in X-ray seen in case of right answer respiratory distress syndrome. I gave answer choose an option 1. It's a wrong. Respiratory distress syndrome. Question number 45. Which of the below is confirmed indication of the pregnancy? Absence: nausea and vomiting, fetal heart in ultrasonogram, beta HCG in urine, amenorrhea. Right answer is 2, fetal heart in ultrasonogram. I choose an option is 2 so that it's correctly answered. Question number 46. Multiple sclerosis is characterized by answers: deficiency of neurotransmitter dopamine, second progressive demyelination in the CNS, deterioration of spinal column, impaired cerebral circulation. Right answer is 2, progressive demyelination in the CNS. Right, correctly answered by me. Question number 47. Proton pump in stomach in the example of facilitated diffusion, secondary active transport, simple diffusion, primary active transport. I am not attending that question. Right answer is primary active transport. Proton pump in stomach is an example of primary active transport. Question number 48. The correct order of the phases in the bacterial growth curve is leg, then exponential and decline and stationary. Second one, leg, decline, exponential or stationary. Third one, lag, stationary, exponential decline. Fourth one, lag, exponential, stationary and decline. Right answer is 4, lag, exponential, stationary, then decline. I was not attended that question. Question number 49. The population targeted by indicated preventive intervention is. The population targeted by indicative preventive intervention is. Answers: age specific populations, general population, high risk individual, grieving families. Right answer is 3, high risk individual. I was answered correctly, high risk individual. Chosen option is 3. Question number 50. Which of the below is the true with the regard to pregnancy induced hypertension? Options: it is also called gestational hypertension, visual disturbance are always present, there is raised BP before 20 weeks of gestation, proteinuria is usually present. I was given option 4. It is a very simple question, but if you are thinking that, if you are overthinking that about the question, you will be definitely giving wrong answer. Like that only I gave this answer in this question. It's a very simple question, gestational hypertension. It's otherwise called pregnancy induced hypertension, but I gave answer 4, proteinuria is usually present. So please very careful to choose an option in the examination. Question number 51. Unattractive man selects the expensive stylish cloth to draw attention himself. The defense mechanism exemplified here is options: compensation, conversion, denial, dissociation. Right answer is compensation. I gave conversion, it's a wrong answer. Compensation is right answer. Question number 52. Intermittent claudication is a sign of peripheral neuropathy, myocardial infarction, nerve injury, arterial occlusive disease. Right answer is 4. Arterial occlusive disease. I gave right answer 4. Introduction of solid foods along with the breastfeeding is called. Introduction of solid foods along with the breastfeeding is called scheduled feeding, conditional feeding, demand feeding, complementary feeding. Right answer is complementary feeding. I choose my choose an option 4 so that the answer is correct. Question number 54. Positive brucellosis and Hernick sign are indicative of hemiplegia, meningitis, alcohol intoxication, peripheral neuropathy. Right answer is meningitis. I gave answer 2 options so that meningitis is the right answer. The full form of GAS is context of response in the stress is absent general adaptation syndrome, general adaptation system, general alarm syndrome, general alarm signals. So right answer is 1, general adaptation syndrome. I gave right answer. Question number 56. The document that gives nurses that authority to carry out specific action under the certain circumstance, often when a physician is not immediately available, is called absence, standing order, discharge summary, prescription, concept map. Right answer is standing order. Choose an option is 1 so that right answer done by me. For question number 57, the total number of fetal and yearly neonatal deaths per the 1,000 live births is called fetal death, intrauterine death, perinatal mortality, or neonatal death. Right answer is 3, perinatal mortality. I gave right answer in this question. Question number 58, the term resourcefulness implies absence, sense of belongings, ability to handle stressful situation, problem solving ability, involvement of spiritual activity. Right answer is sense of belonging. Right answer is problem solving ability, but I gave option 1, sense of belonging. I did wrong this in this question. Question number 59, when the person's blood pressure drops, the kidney respond by secreting renin, slowing the release of antidiuretic hormone, increasing urine output, producing aldosterone. Right answer is secreting renin. I gave right answer. The mode of inheritance of cystic fibrosis is absence, autosomal recessive, non-Mendelian, autosomal dominant, X-linked disease. Right answer is autosomal recessive. I gave right answer. Question number 61, which of the below is not a sign of respiratory distress? Changing of posture to easy breathing, cyanosis, nasal flaring. Fourth option, speaking complete sentence. Right answer is 4, speaking complete sentence. I gave right answer in this question. The surgical next question 62, the surgical intervention for the pain management which involves cutting of nerve root to relieve pain is called absence, radio frequency ablation, second cryoanalgesia, rhizotomy, fourth cordotomy. Right answer is rhizotomy. I gave right answer in this question. Question number 63, fine downy hair normally found abundantly in the premature babies is called. First one, vernix, navy, lanugo, or caput. Right answer is lanugo. I gave right answer. Choose an option is 3. Question number 64, microcephaly is diagnosed when head circumference is less than. Answers, 4 standard deviation, 1 standard deviations, 3 standard deviations, 2 standard deviation. Right answer is 3 standard deviation. I am not attended that questions. During the age of 1 to 3 years, the developmental stage according to the Freud's theory is. Answers, genital, oral, anal, phallic. Right answer is 3, anal. I gave right answer. Question number 66, newborn maturity rating in done using Chandler score, Abscar score, Oleander score, or Pallad score. I was not attended that question. Right answer is Pallad score. A newborn maturity rating is done by Pallad score. If you don't know the correct answer exactly, please leave that question so that you will avoid negative marking. keep it in mind. Please remember that. Don't answer confused question or don't know the answer exactly for the questions. Question number 67. The Adam's apple is formed by option thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, epiglottis, hyoid bone. Right answer is 1, thyroid cartilage. I answered correctly. Question number 68. The type of assessment done to the compare the client's current status to previously obtained baseline data is called. Answers: problem focused assessment, initial assessment, emergency assessment, time lapse assessment. Right answer is 4, time lapse reassessment. I gave wrong answer here. Question number 69. Respiratory rate multiplied by the tidal volume gives. This is also I gave wrong answer, but I know that answer. Unfortunately, I mistake this question. Sometimes in exam it will be happen. So please be careful while giving exam. Giving answer in examination. Answers: total lung capacity, minute volume, expiratory reserve volume, or maximum voluntary ventilation. Right answer is minute volume. Option 2. I gave option 1. Right answer is minute volume. Question number 70. Naegele's rules is used to calculate amniotic fluid, cervical dilatation, gestational age, expected date of delivery. Right answer is 4, expected date of delivery. I gave right answer. Question number 71. The organ that does not lie in the pelvic cavity is. Answers: rectum, fallopian tube, transverse colon, or urinary bladder. Right answer is 3, transverse colon. Choose an option is 3, so that right answer given by me. Question number 72. The causative agent for bacterial vaginosis is. Options: Chlamydia, Trachomatis, Cardinale vaginalis, Herpes simplex, Candida albicans. Right answer is Cardinale vaginalis. I gave right answer in that questions. Question number 73. Bacillus cereus food poisoning commonly associated with consumption of. It is a more frequent question. In exam they are asking more frequently. Options: bottled honey, green beans, fried rice, and packed potato. Right answer is fried rice. I am not attended that question, but I know that answer fried rice. Unfortunately I was not attended that question, fried rice. Question number 74. A non-opioid analgesic of below is. Non-opioid analgesic of below is pentazocine, naproxen, buprenorphine, or butorphanol. Right answer is 2, naproxen. I gave answer, choose an option 1. It's a wrong answer by me. Naproxen is right, and non-opioid analgesic is naproxen. Question number 75. The term veracity in the context of nursing value refers to. Options: being aware of one's action, being faithful to agreements, telling the truth, being a fair and just. Right answer is 3, telling the truth. I was answered correctly. Question number 76. The dimension of the health concerned with the proper biological functioning is called. First options: spiritual dimension, mental dimension, social dimension, physical dimension. I gave right answer. Choose an option 4, physical dimension. Which of the following is not assimilated by eukaryotic cells? Options: nitrogen, lactate, glucose, sulfate. Right answer is nitrogen. I was not attended that question. Question number 78. In the patient taking high doses of acetaminophen over the prolonged period, the parameter to be monitored regularly is GI irritation, kidney function, liver function, prothrombin time. Right answer is 3, liver function. Choose an option 3. I gave right answer. Question number 79. A rapid grower among the following is Mycobacterium cordoni, Mycobacterium bovis, Mycobacterium avium, Mycobacterium abscessus. Right answer is Mycobacterium abscessus is rapid grower following above below. I was not attended the question. Lactational amenorrhea acts as a contraceptive method by preventing sperm entry, preventing ovulation, preventing implantation, spermicidal action. Right answer is 2, preventing ovulation. Right answer given by me. Question number 81. Which of the below is mortality indicator? Which of the below is mortality indicator? Absence, prevalence rate, incidence rate, disability rate, crude death rate. Right option is crude death rate. Answered is correct by me. Question number 82. The minimally invasive technique by the which thin insulated lead wire with the electrolytes transmulator is surgically implanted in the brain is called. Options: functional MRI, deep brain stimulation, transcranial magnetic stimulation, electroconvulsive therapy. Right option is deep brain stimulation. Please remember it, deep brain stimulation. I was wrongly answered. Chosen option 3. Right answer is deep brain stimulation. The minimally invasive technique by the with thin insulated lead wire with electrolytes is surgically implanted in the brain is deep brain stimulation. Question number 83. The professional value of nursing that describe that the right to self-determination is called. Answers: integrity, altruism, autonomy, dignity. Right answer is autonomy. I was given wrong answer. Chosen option is 4. Right answer is autonomy. The professional value of nursing that determines the right to self-determination is autonomy. Question number 84. The scale that cannot be used to assess the subject for mood disorder. Edinburgh Inventory, Hamilton Rating Scale, Beck Inventory, Wakefield Questionnaire. Right answer is Edinburgh Inventory. I was not attended that question. Question number 85. Involuntary rejection of unacceptable thoughts or feelings from conscious awareness is called. Options: substitution, sublimation, suppression, symbolization. Right answer is 3, suppression. I was correctly answered. Question number 86. The first referral level in the healthcare system is tertiary healthcare, primary healthcare, secondary healthcare, primordial healthcare. Right answer is secondary healthcare. I was given wrong answer. The first referral level of healthcare system is secondary healthcare. Question number 87. An immovable joint is called synarthrosis, diarthrosis, polyarthritis, ambiarthrosis. Right answer is 1, synarthrosis. I was correctly answered. The most common cause of retinal detachment is trauma, brain tumor, diabetes mellitus, degenerative changes in the retina or vitreous. I was not answered that question. Right answer: degenerative changes in the retina and vitreous. The most common cause of retinal detachment. Question number 89. The type of hypersensitivity reaction due to IgE mediator histamine released is called type 4, type 2, type 1, type 3. Right answer is type 1. I gave wrong answer. IgE mediator histamine released is type 1 hypersensitivity. Question number 90. Which of the below is not a part of secondary prevention of mental illness? Screening, early detection, rehabilitation, crisis stabilization. Right answer is 3, rehabilitation. I was answered correctly. Question number 91. Pepsinosin in stomach is secreted by absent chief cells, goblet cells, parietal cells, G cells. Right answer is 1, chief cells. I was answered correctly. Among the following, the task that does not require the register nurse but can be delegated to the home health aide is adjusting oxygen flow, feeding and bathing the client, assessing wound healing process, teaching client about medications. Right answer is 2, feeding and bathing the client. I was answered correctly. The hormone, question number 93, the hormone that increases water reabsorption by inserting water channel or aquaporins is answers atrial natriuretic peptide, aldosterone, antidiuretic hormone, angiotensin. I was answered correctly, antidiuretic hormone, ADH hormone. Question number 94. The third phase of body adaptation to stress is absence, rebound, exhaustion, reaction, resistance. Right answer is 2, exhaustion. I was answered wrongly. Chosen option 4. 95. The mental illness specific to certain Indian population which there is severe anxiety and hypochondriacally concern is called. Options: root work, amok, thought, and nervous. Right option is thought. I was not answered that question. Question number 96. Depolarization in the nerve action potential is due to. Answers: opening of calcium channel, closing of sodium channel, opening of sodium channel, opening of potassium channel. Right answer is opening of the sodium channel. I was wrongly answered. Question number 97. The normal order of events taking place during the second stage of labor is. Option: descent, flexion, internal rotation, grounding, and extension. Second option: descent, flexion, internal rotation, extension, grounding. Third option: descent, flexion, grounding, extension, internal rotation. Fourth option: descent, internal rotation, grounding, extension, flexion. Right option is 1. Please remember it. I was answered wrongly. Descent, flexion, internal rotation, grounding, and extension. Question number 98. The general that needs pyridoxal for the growth is Granulocytella, Enterococcus, Pediococcus, Aerococcus. Right answer is Granulocytella. I was not answered that question. Question number 99. Which of the below is not a component of HELP syndrome? Absence: bleeding per vagina, elevated liver enzyme, low platelet count, hemolysis. Right answer is 1. I was answered correctly. Question number 100. When there is possibility of locked twins being born, answers: first twin has cephalic and second twin has breech presentation. Fraternal twins, dichorionic, diamniotic twins. First twin has breech and the second twin has cephalic presentation. I was correctly answered. Right answer is 4. First twin has breech presentation and second twin has cephalic presentation. Then general side questions. Question number 1. Lion-tailed macaque are found in the which part of India? Right answer: answers Assam, West Ghats, Jammu Kashmir, and Sikkim. Right answer is West Ghats. I was not attended that question. Japan attacked US base Pearl Harbor in absent 1941, 1939, 1943, 1940. I was not attended that question. 1941 is correct answer. Murye Gold tribes live in the options: Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Manipur, Andhra Pradesh. I was not attended that question. Question number 4. Battle of Palais took place in the year. I was not attended the question. 1958, 1960, 1757, 1761. Right answer 1757. What is the capital of Manipur? Tishpur, Itanagar, Impal, Kogima. Right answer Impal. I was answered correctly. Question number 6. Study of the following figures carefully and identify the similar figures among the alternatives which give analogs relation to give set of figures. Right answer is 1. I was answered correctly. Read the following statements carefully and choose the appropriate conclusion from the given statement. Ramesh eats almonds every day. He is good mathematics. His IQ levels are good. Conclusion: right answer is only conclusion 2 is strong. Conclusion: if you cannot eat almonds, you won't succeed in the mathematics. If one's IQ levels are good, that he eat almonds every day. Right answer is either 1 nor 2 are strong. Question number 8. In the certain code language, if doctor is written as a CNB SNQ, then the engineer could be written in the code of. Right answer is 4. I was answered correctly. Choose the term from the given alternatives which hold the analogs relation. The given ASB means a square plus b square. Then C at D means root of c square plus d square. Answer is 3 at 4 means 5. I was correctly answered. Question number 10. Read the data given carefully and answer the question. The following Venn diagram shows information about the number of officers who speaks 3 different languages in the army camp at XYX. So right answer, I am not attended that question. You can calculate that question. Question number 11. If the paper is folded and cut as per the given shape, would be the resultant look after unfolding the paper is? I was not attending that question. Question number 12. There are alternatives for the certain relation. Find the instrument which does not belongs to group. Right answer, guitar. I gave right answer. Question number 13. What would be a next number in the series? Option right answer is 28. I gave right answer to. Question number 14. If dollar stands for plus, at stands for minus, star stands for into, percentage stands for divided, then what would be the result of following expression? I gave right answer 46. Question number 15. 8. Engineer takes part in the technical discussion 1-to-1 for the design of an article in the corporate company. Each one have to discuss with every other one. How many discussion must be they take to conclude final decision on design of the specific product? Right answer is 4. I gave right answer. A man travelled from his village to the post office at the rate of 25 km per hour and walked back to the rate of 4 km per hour. If the whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes, then the distance of the post office from his village is, I was not attended the question, 20 kilometer. You can calculate this question. Question number 17. In the ratio, must water be mixed with the milk to gain 20% by selling mixture at a cost price? Right answer is 4. 1:5. I gave right answer. In the quadrilateral ABCD, comma, if m a equal to 2x, m equal to 40, m 2x, m 40, then equals, and right answer is 140. I am not attended that question. Question number 19. If x is to y equal to 5 is to 9, then y is to z equal to 4 is to 7, then x is to y is to z is, right answer is 20 is to 30 is to 63. I was not attended the question. Question number 20. A quality control analysis rejects 0.08% of meters manufactured cloth rolls as defective. How many meters of cloth will they examine to reject 4? Right answer is 5,000. I was correctly answered. Question number 21. If a equal to 1 plus root of root of 2 and b equal to 1 minus root of 2, then the value of a squared plus b squared is, right answer is 3, 6. I was given right answer. 22. The simple interest on the sum of money is 4/9 of principal. If the both are numerically equal, then the rate of percent and the time is, right answer is 6. 2/3. I was not attended the question. Question number 23. Allies can do particular work in 7 days of 9 hours each, and Bob can do it in 6 days of 7 hours each. The how long will be take to do working together? 2/5 hours a day. Right answer is 3 days. I gave wrong answer here. Question number 24. A person incurs 5% loss by selling the book for the rupees 140. At what price should book be sold? Earn 5% profit. Answers 1260. I was not attended the question. 25. I was not attended the question. Hi friends, I was selected in that examination. If you have any doubt in this question paper, you can ask me in comment, and please tell me how is question paper. Please make sure subscribe my channel, so that I will you will get notification for my further videos. I will put more videos regarding previous question paper. Thank you so much.